Welcome back, guys. Today I have a Dell Inspiron, I believe. That's the 153511. This is the third one since yesterday with a hinge repair. As you can see in this case, both sides are broken. But this should be easier than the ones from yesterday. Anyway, so what we're gonna do, I'm shooting this video to show you how not to remove the back case, instead just repairing it. Otherwise I would just replace the whole thing, the back LCD back cover, and it would be much easier. But I mean, this is more cost effective, let's say. Let me just open the laptop, detach the LCD just to make sure that we work on it safely. I don't want to end up cracking the LCD, creating more damage than there is originally. Luckily the LCD is not cracked, so let's keep it this way. Working with one hand is very hard. I have to go support the LCD so it doesn't fall down or damage the LCD cable. Okay, first thing first, let's unplug the battery. I can see it, that's nice. Okay, perfect. Now let's release the Wi-Fi antenna as well as my tweezers. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, first part is done. Now the LCD cable. Second part is done. Now it's just time to take out the LCD. Okay, and the LCD is out. Now let's remove the top case away. And let's work here. Okay. We can glue this. This is not an issue. I mean, we don't want to create more cost to the customer. Okay, so this way. And how is it? This way. No, this one is this side. Oh, okay. This way, yes. Okay. Do I have to remove the LCD? Nah, I don't want to remove it. Okay, let's go ahead and start. First one is done. Let's do the second one. Actually, in this particular case, we might be able to do it with by just hot glue here, because you can see the metal shields can support the nuts. However, I prefer to use my own nuts. Okay, let's get the drill. There's the drill. You just make sure which size it will take. I might be able to use the old screws in this case. Just confirm. Yeah, I'll use the bigger one. I'll use this one. Actually, this is plastic. Why don't I just melt it from this side instead of drilling? Yeah, that's true. Okay. Perfect. Now, since this is plastic, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna heat the nut so it can just fit perfectly fine. We just need a big tip here. Yeah, this should be fine. I'm just gonna heat it from like this. Yep. Perfect. Let's do the second one. Okay, and the last one from this side, of course. So yeah, this is how it should look like. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to put hot glue after I put the hinge back. This way to just give it more grip. I believe this one was this side. Yep. Let's go ahead and put the original screws. Hopefully that will, yes. Well, actually it fits perfectly fine, no need for hot glue even. Hot glue. Okay. Yep, see? Okay. Yep, it's perfectly fine. Let's do the other side. Was it this one? No. Yes, these ones. A few here. Okay. Let's just make sure, double check before I melt these in. Yeah. Perfect. And the other side, and basically we're done. Okay, I think OBS decided to stop recording for some reason. Anyway, so I just finished reassembling, and this is the end result. As you can see, they're kind of almost flat to the, well, not flat, I got the idea. Maybe 1 millimeter only. So with a sticker or, come on, focus. Yeah, that should fix the issue. Besides that, nothing much to do. I mean, the only solution is to replace the whole thing, which, I mean, the LCD is good. The back cover is good. It's only this part. If it was cracked, bent, destroyed, I would say yes. Oh, I need the charger. I think I need the charger, yeah. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, basically that's how you repair a hinge without replacing the LCD cover. Perfect. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye, take care.